Just want to make sure you know how to use some of these functions on your calculator as well as some other optional functions here that are going to really help you with your powers. So if you want to find something squared, there's a button for that. If you want to find the square root of something, there's a button for that. If you want to cube something to the power of 3, there's a button for that. But then we're a little bit out of buttons. So I'll show you what this one is right after I show you that. Well, we can take the square root and figure out what two numbers multiply together to make a number that's squared. Or we can take the cube root. So if I wanted to, I can use my second function, which then makes all the orangey things valid. If I wanted the cube root of 27, I can get that by using that. So what if I wanted to get something to the power of not 2 or not 3 or more than that? So if I choose 3 y to the x to the power of 8, for example, that's going to give me this whopping great number. And now it's maybe useful to you. You might have to do a little guesswork, but 6561. So if I want to see what number I would take to the root of 8 for 6561, I would click 8, and then my second function, again, the orange means not the cube root, the square root, but the root 8 of, what was it, 6561. That will tell me that 3 to the power of 8 will give me that number. So this is using the second function. The second function will not do this, but whatever is in orange there. So another really interesting button is this, the degrees, minutes, second button. So if you work out that something is 4.15 hours. So we're looking at time. 4.15 hours is not 4 hours and 15 minutes. But if you use the second function of DMS, that's going to give you that it is 4 hours and 9 minutes, which is really crazy cool. Let's do something we really know. 4.5 hours should be 4 hours and 30 minutes. Second function, DMS, 4 hours, 30 minutes, and 0 seconds. And finally, if you have a time, let's put it in as degrees, minutes, seconds. So we have 4 hours, 15 minutes, and hit again, and 12 seconds. We can then add that to 2 hours, 12 minutes, and let's say 3 seconds. And now that is all in time. It has added the 4 and the 2 hours. It has added the 15 and the, it's gone off the screen here. What is it, 12 minutes and the 12 and whatever we put in seconds. So now we have 6 hours, 27 minutes, and 15 seconds. And that's it as a decimal. Great fun.